It's okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. It's okay. What's wrong? You okay? You alright? Huh? What's wrong? Huh? What's wrong? You okay? You alright? No? Okay.
Ask her what's wrong. What's her problem? Are you mad at Stephanie?
The mouth is open.
Are you mad at Stephanie?
Is it really?
Mm-hmm.
Or you don't like that she's filming you, complaining? Are you whining? Oh, her eyes are closed. Are you whining?
Ooh.